Come test drive the 2011 Elantra. The Elantra boasts the most interior room in its class and gets an exceptional 35 miles per gallon. With its luxurious standard features, the Elantra is an easy choice. This vehicle has less than 135,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, heated mirrors, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, FWD, four-wheel disc brakes, tires, front performance, tires, rear performance. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.